Suspendido ang US foreign aid ng 70 araw sa utos ni President Donald Trump. Pero wala naman daw itong direct impact sa Pilipinas ayon sa NEDA. Yan ang agenda report ni Pierre Pastor.
Hindi nababahala ang Malacanang sa pagsuspinde ng foreign aid na ipinag-utos ni US President Donald Trump. Ayon kay NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, hindi naman mula sa Amerika lang ang mga tulong na nakukuha ng bansa. Hindi rin anya US lang ang nagpapautang sa Pilipinas.
Not so much directly, no, and in the short term. Much of our loans now are with other countries and multilateral institutions, no. And then the grants, yeah. The U.S. is the #1 source of grants, and that's where the impact would be. But those are a small part of the economy.
Frozen ang lahat ng US foreign assistance sa buong mundo sa loob ng 90 days, base sa inilabas na executive order ni Trump.
The impact would be more indirect. For example, the major shareholder of the multilateral institutions is the U.S. World Bank, ADB. If the lending facility, especially for official development assistance, in those institutions is affected, then we can also be affected in the medium term, no? But for our current infrastructure flagship projects, not much. Many of those projects are funded by Japan, Korea, ADB, and World Bank.
Nang tanungin si Balisacan kung hindi man apektado sa aid na mula sa US, ay baka naman sa tariff bawian. Sinabi niyang hindi naman gaanong nag-i-import ng goods ang Pilipinas, kundi services.
The initial impact will be felt by all countries. If these cuts, the tariff increases are quite substantial. So far, we don't see, in terms of our exports to the U.S. A lot of our exports are in the form of services. IT, BPM, those kind of things for the U.S. So that is not affected by those tariffs because those tariffs apply to goods. In that sense.
Dagdag pa ni Balisacan, sa ganitong panahon, mas kailangan na magkaroon ng diversity sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas o dapat may iba't ibang mapagkukunan ng kita ang bansa. Para sa agenda, Pierre Pastor, Billionaire News Channel.